Hi everyone, it's Tom from Vanlife. We're here today to take a tour of our model MEA. The MEA van is the very first model offered by Vanlife, and despite the company's evolution and development of various configurations, the MEA remains an extremely popular model, a classic if you will. It is also our only model that can be converted into the more compact Ram ProMaster, namely the 159-inch wheelbase 19-foot model. It is also available in the Ram ProMaster 159 extended wheelbase, which is a 21-feet model. The van can accommodate 2 to 4 passengers, also with the possibility of a 5-person layout. Let's get to it. The MEA stands out for its simple and efficient layout, which offers plenty of storage space while also providing the feeling of staying in a clear and airy space. Our cedar ceiling with the combination of light and wood tones contribute to creating peaceful and bright atmospheres. Both the front driver and passenger seats are swivel seats. This means that they have the advantage of being able to turn around, offering other very interesting functionalities. Once turned around, it's possible to create a lunch area with the lagoon table that can be placed between the 2 benches. The MEA can accommodate 2 to 5 passengers. In 2-passenger mode, we install a nice sofa to offer a relaxation space and offer storage thanks to the cabinet underneath. We also offer the option of a bookshelf with additional storage. In 3-passenger mode, we install a single seat behind the passenger seat. This fixed seat brings other layout options, such as the addition of a second lagoon table near the sliding door. It's possible to create another workspace or a dining table. The advantage of the lagoon table in the sliding door is that it can also be placed outside when enjoying time with friends and family. For 4 passengers, we take a double bench still on the passenger side, and this retractable bench takes up very little space when lowered and raised. In 5-passenger mode, we install the single fixed seat as well as the retractable double bench seat behind the single seat. Note that the 5-passenger model is only available in the ProMaster 21-foot or extended. All of our benches are approved and designed to accommodate child seats with 3-point belts at the shoulder. Vanlife is registered by Transport Canada to affix the National Safety Mark. In the kitchen, you'll find lots of drawers and storage space that can accommodate all of your kitchen accessories and personal items. We have a double trash drawer with recycling compartment, and we offer the option of a drawer with a cutting board, which is located just below the refrigerator. You'll find everything there is to cook like at home, including a large stainless steel sink with hot and cold water, 12-volt 4.3 cubic foot refrigerator with integrated freezer, which can store plenty of food and doesn't consume much energy, a single or double induction cooktop, and as an option, a small oven with air fryer function. In the main control panel, you'll find all the controls for the 12-volt pumps, the lights, the Webasto, all the USB and 120-volt outlets. In the van, you'll find an 83-liter water tank with an electric 23-liter water heater. The van has 2 18-liter water bottles found under the sink. These are offered from 2 separate water management systems powered by 2 12-volt pumps. One for washing dishes, for supplying the interior and exterior shower, and the other for drinking water consumption. In the bathroom, we find the ghost shower. This is a great option to have an indoor shower with continued privacy without compromising storage space. Once the installation is done, the curtain stays in place thanks to the magnet system at the bottom, which sticks to the inner walls of the shower. The curtain is designed to dry quickly, and of course, it is waterproof. Under the sink, you'll find the shower head with thermostatic system. Once the temperature is adjusted, you only need to open and close it. You will also find an on-off system on the shower head. So it is very simple to use and safe. Each van also comes equipped with an outdoor shower. The van is also equipped with a cartridge toilet on its own drawer to maximize storage space and provide fast and easy access. In the bedroom, we find 1 or 2 bunk beds with fixed or adjustable capabilities. Depending on the desired configuration, the space under the bed, we call the garage, becomes another very spacious and practical storage space. The beds in the bedroom are 74 by 54 inches and are designed for people up to 6.2 feet tall. As an option in the 21-foot MEA, an extra large 74 by 68 inch bed is available. In the bedroom, we'll also find several storage cabinets found above the top bed. These are very convenient for storing items, amongst other things, such as clothes, toiletries, books, etc. It's worth noting that all storage cabinets can stay open or can be offered with closing doors. All of our vans are equipped with 1 or 2 max fans. The standard is 2 max fans, but 1 max fan can also be paired with a skylight or optional air conditioning unit. And all of our vans are equipped with 4-season mosquito nets made here in Canada. All of our vans are 4-season and can handle the Canadian winter without any problems. Thanks to our 2,000-watt Webasto heating system, in addition to our rock wall insulation making our cabin very airtight, this provides an average insulation ratio of R10 to R12 depending on the section of the van. It's in the garage space that we find the electrical box, which contains the auto-heating lithium batteries with 300 to 800 amp hour capacities and the 3,000-watt inverter system, all combined with solar energy for complete autonomy, and most importantly, without propane. So in summary, the vehicle recharges in multiple ways. When rolling, recharging from the alternator, on a beautiful sunny day, recharging from the solar panels, or when plugged with the 15 or 30 amp hour outlets. Under the van, we'll find the grey water management system. This is a 65-litre tank with an easy accessible evacuation valve for simple emptying of the tank. So that concludes our tour of the MEA today. Obviously, a ton of options are available to customize the van to your liking, including exterior lighting, many options from Thule, such as awnings, additional roof boxes, kayak and even bike racks, side steps for easy access to the vehicle, and even a shell to help you access your custom terrace. So if this is the model that speaks to you, one of our friendly team would be very happy to help discuss your project and welcome you to the Vanlife family.